What's good, y'all? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you 2 gig apps you need to have downloaded to your phone in order to make $1,500 in 1 week. That's only $300 per day. With these 2 gig apps, you can roughly make a little bit more than $300, but on the low end, I would say $300 minimum. You don't need to have any experience, and also you don't have to have any type of equipment because you can also find someone with the equipment on Google to help you out. You guys get paid, you guys split the money. So let's jump into the first app. This first app is called Jackal. It's a gig app. It's pretty much like any other gig app out there. Instacart, Uber, DoorDash, Lyft. Anytime a job available in your area, you will get an alert to your phone. It's going to tell you what the job is, what kind of tools you will need, how much the job is paying, and where the job is located. So, if you're interested in making money with gig apps, go ahead and download this app to your phone. Now, it has different jobs ranging from pressure washing, roofing, electrical, plumbing, um, dog sitting, house cleaning, yard cleanup, landscaping, lawn mowing, any pretty much any kind of service-based business is on this app. Customers around the world, around your area, will reach out to this app looking for someone to perform work around a home or small business. Once they do that, they will refer all the job leads to your phone. You can accept the job or you can decline it. Also, if you feel the job is not paying as much as it's worth, you can also ask for a higher amount to be paid. Once they see that people are not accepting that job, they will increase the pay. So, if you ever thought about starting a pressure washing business, landscaping business, roofing business, tile business, pretty much any kind of service based business, this would be a great option for yourself. It's pretty much worldwide. You get paid the same day, no waiting around to get paid. You can find work easy. You don't have to do any advertising. Pretty much they do all the advertising for you. They match you with all kind of work that's in your job description. So if you're someone who does pressure washing, you can get all their pressure washing leads. If you do mobile detailing, you will get all their mobile detailing leads. Now, you can also mix it up. If you do landscaping and you do roofing, you can get those type of jobs referred to yourself. And it's quick, it's easy, it's 100% free. You can do this full time, part time, and this would be a great way to build up your business, or a great way for a side hustle, or just something to make an extra buck. You can manage your schedule. You can juggle multiple jobs, quick, fast, and easy. You can schedule tools built from the ground up. So this would be a great option for yourself if you're looking for different ways to make money, especially if you're tired of shopping around, looking around online, looking at different side hustles. Then you go ahead and try the side hustles and you're actually not making any money. This would be great for you. I currently do this once, twice, sometimes even 4 times a week. They even have DoorDash, Lyft, and Uber on here. So if you're interested in any type like that, go ahead and tap in. They will send all the money straight to your PayPal account, bank account, or any type of account that you have that can accept money. So I would like for you guys to take a look at this website. It's called Jackal. See if this is something that you might be interested in. If not, stick around on my channel and I'll have different gig apps that you can actually try out and see if it's interested. See if you're interested in it. So let's take a look at the second one that I have. This second one is pretty much Toolbelt. It's pretty much like the last one I was talking about, but they do a lot of construction, like roofing, tile, plumbing, electrical. Um, Also, If you have a crew, this would be great for yourself. If you're someone who doesn't have a crew, you can always go out, find guys on different type of social ads, and find someone to help you out with it. So if you're looking for a great way to make some money on your spare time, or if you're trying to start your own business doing something, this right here will help you generate leads. And it's 100% free. You don't have to do any marketing, any type of advertising. Um, but it's always good to have your website built. And also, if you can, get you some yard signs. Put out you some yard signs and watch your customers come in. So I appreciate everybody who took their time to subscribe to my channel. For all the new people, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like gig apps. So that's all I have for you guys on this video. Stay tuned to my next one.